are.
Yeah, so it's
I am like out of mana already.
Who got low? Fizz? Who's low? Good job, guys.
Ezreal.
Alright, Sebastian coming in. Never mind, I don't see him.
He's about to.
Oh.
He's about to. You need help, Bryant? I can
No,
come
fine.
down with you.
You missed!
Good job.
Hey-oh!
This is why you should never counter jungle or Warwick. Another thing about Warwick. His Q follows Blast Cone. Dang it.
Oh gosh.
Two.
Did you like that, Jacob?
Nope.
What do you mean, no?
Bryant. Oh, Bryant,
the
no,
brand
get
hit?
out of the way, Bryant.
Yeah,
never mind,
I spell
sorry.
shielded it.
Sorry, I was
Oh,
trying to heal.
well, I still got hit.
He's staying.
Who,
Alex.
Ezreal?
Yeah. Oh, what?
I'm coming back slowly.
3, 2.
Oh, you have a wolf friend, I see. I'm being replaced.
Let me know, I'm gonna ult you when you ult.
Oh, guys.
That's a Grand Flush. Uh-oh.
Ooh.
Gosh dang it!
Mmm.
You know, it almost seems like he got a speed boost there too.
Ow. Let's die.
Okay.
Good job. Now back off. Back off to me.
I would, but minion blocked.
Let's die. Oh, never mind. He has E. Good job, Alex.
He's always got E.
Jacob.
Guys,
that
there's
was-
a Fizz behind me.
Come here.
Gosh.
So, it stopped his Q.
Oh, come on.
Didn't stop
Got
his
his
ult.
flash, I
I'm not
guess.
afraid of you. No, please, keep telling me. Get a root. I'll raise. I'll put out.
Whoa. See that guy right there? Looks like he's hit rock bottom. Well, that guy's actually me. Now, I bet you're wondering how I got in this wacky situation.
Hear me, Bryant? Bryant.
I think he's preoccupied.
The bird!
Great. Teleport again?
Oh, I got one room.
Okay, I'm coming in.
Okay. And that's
Jacob, Alex,
that's
to
a
me, to
that's
me, to me.
fizz.
Oh.
That's a fizz.
Hang on, you guys, I'm coming.
I didn't even realize
Are you guys
I
winning?
despise fizz.
Wait, are you guys winning?
What?
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
I'm
Hey!
gonna take this
Okay!
turret down.
Yeah, I'm the only
No,
one who
Alex.
died. Because
It's-
fizz.
Oh,
If the trump card literally flipped the table and shot the other players. Sure.
You missed it. 4 eyes.
Hello, my name is Barry Allen. I'm the fastest man alive. When I was 10 years old, my mother left me and
Got
died.
past you. That's 3. Go, Brian. Oh my gosh.
Been
Guys.
CC'd before he could.
Brian, can you handle that?
Yeah,
Both of them?
dang it.
Oh,
Sebastian, can you finish?
fire support is after ghost
Good
support.
job, Sebastian.
I think we're
Is he still following you, Jacob?
You're mad at the end with the Warwick
Lol.
dancing. How? I can't do this alone.
Don't worry, Bryant. When the demons come, just call me, brother. We will fight them together.
I'm only.
Come on.
I'm gonna go clear top.
Bring it.
I'm coming down.
You go clear.
Go ahead and make it. Day. Ah! I should have activated. I tried activating.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Uh-oh.
This is gonna be ultimate.
Get off of us!
Oh. Call for an ADC.
Nice. Nice. Shrek those fools.
What?
Oh, I didn't even
Guys,
get
I'm
the
not there. I'm back to finish my item. Also, don't. Oh, wait. Kill people. I need souls.
Destroy, thank you. I can die happy. Oh, Alex, no.
There's a turret there.
Alex, you lucky son of...
I dropped a 4 health, Jacob.
I was watching you that...
I took a tower shot.